And for today ay bike day natin today. It's been a while since last ako nakaakyat sa ating ruta today. Tinatawag namin na Bibingka Ride, which is around 20 kilometers away from my place going to Mahaplag Crossing. Okay, so Bibingka Ride lang tayo, snack, and balik na ulit. So, first time din natin mag uphill with 45 and 48 PSI. Okay? Our time check for today is 2:45 in the afternoon. Since gloomy weather po tayo today, so we decided to ride out early. Okay? My brother. Pani. We are now 11 kilometers away from our place, and few minutes na lang start na po yung climb. Let's go. Hi. Ano? Lourdes Nature Spring Resort. Rest muna 5 to 10 minutes before we start our climb, and I think this one is 80% climb going to our destination. Sige, chill muna and we off to go. Yoo! Chill lang tayo, guys. As you can see, yung truck ay nagpo-first gear kasi sobrang tarik, and yung daan niya ay paikot doon sa kabilang side. Chill lang tayo. Red Horse. Uphill with Pani. Snack man lang ni Pani. Woo! Yay! Uphill na naman.
Pag mo ko, mamubantar diya kuan. Ang lagatak. Ang lubak. Pag mo yun.
Uphill. Dondoy number. Lapit na guys. Malapit na sa boundary. Tapos may flat na daan. Tapos few kilometers ay uphill na naman. Wow! Let's go! As you can see, nagmi-minor lahat ng mga trucks. First gear lang madalas kasi downhill na sa unahan. Isnakla ni Pani oh. Libre. This is the boundary of Abuyog and Mahaplag. Few kilometers away ay may Bibingka snack na tayo. 3 to 5 kilometers away. Okay, let's go. Kaya pa. Rewarded with very small downhill. Okay na. At least makapagpahinga. Hi. Downhill. And uphill again. Hi. Laswag na sa angkol. Hi. Isnakla ni Pani oh. Gini. Hi. Woo. The best. Yeah. Uphill. Sige. Last uphill. Snack time na. Ay. Push lang. Ay. Last one. Last one ano ni? Last one. Uphill. Uphill. And uphill. Tapos, snack time. Kagandahan dito guys. Unlimited yung tubig. Nature spring. Legit. You went 20 kilometers. Whew. Siguro 12 kilometers flat and 8 kilometers uphill for the entire course. Entire route. Anyway, malapit na po. Snack time na. Hot bibingka and coffee. Okay guys, touchdown Mahaplag crossing. This is bibingka or bigka. Okay guys, snack time na. Paired with coffee. By the way, 50 pesos, 5 pieces na po. Okay, yun lang. Thank you. Ride safe. Bye-bye.